Welcome back to Excella. In this video, we'll cover basic data management, helping you get comfortable entering, editing, and organizing data in Excel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to work with cells, rows, columns, and more so you can manage data efficiently. Let's start with the basics, entering and editing data in cells. To input data, simply click on a cell and start typing. Excel allows you to enter different types of data, like text, numbers, and dates. When you want to edit a cell's content, double-click the cell or click once and make changes in the formula bar. For instance, if you enter sales in A1 and 500 in B1, Excel automatically recognizes 500 as a number and aligns it to the right. Next, we'll look at copying and pasting data. You can select any cell, press Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste the data into another cell. If you need to repeat data or create a pattern, you can also use autofill. Just drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell, and Excel will automatically continue the pattern. For example, if you enter 1 in a cell, you can drag it down, and Excel will fill the cells with 2, 3, 4, and so on. Excel can also use Flash Fill to automatically detect patterns in your data. If you type John Doe in one cell and then Jane in the next, Excel might suggest completing the pattern as Jane Doe. Just hit Enter when the suggestion appears. Now let's talk about managing rows and columns. You can easily insert, delete, or resize rows and columns. To insert a new row, just right-click the row number and choose Insert. For columns, right-click the column letter and select Insert. You can also adjust the width of a column by hovering over the line between two columns, then dragging it to resize. When working with larger sets of data, sorting and filtering become essential. You can sort data alphabetically, numerically, or by date. Select the range of data, then go to the Data tab and choose Sort. Filtering allows you to display only the data you need. In the Data tab, select Filter, and small arrows will appear at the top of each column. Click on them to filter your data by specific criteria. When you start working with formulas, understanding cell references is key. Excel uses relative references by default. This means if you copy a formula from one cell to another, Excel will adjust the reference. However, with absolute references, you can lock a specific cell. For example, if you want to always refer to cell B1 in a formula, add a $sign before the column and row like this, $B$1. Sometimes you might see error messages like #value or #div/0. These occur when Excel encounters an issue with the data. For example, #div/0 happens when you try to divide by 0. To troubleshoot, double-check your data and formulas. Excel usually gives a helpful message about what went wrong. In the next video, we'll dive into formulas and functions for beginners. Be sure to practice these data management techniques and get comfortable with Excel's grid system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.